Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a homemade pizza. But first, we're gonna make a homemade pizza dough. Here, I prepared 2 cups of flour, a half cup of lukewarm water, and 50 ml of fresh milk, salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of yeast. Let's get started. Now let's put our flour into the bowl. Brown sugar, yeast, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix them together. Add our olive oil. Our milk. Mix them together. Add a portion of water. Mix it again. Now add the last portion of water. Mix it again. Now ready to knead. And rub your hand of flour. Now start kneading our dough. Now we are done kneading it. Look how fluffy and soft it is. So stretchy. In our empty bowl, pour a bit of olive oil and spread it. And then put our dough. And put a little bit of oil. Now let's cover it and let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours. Here I prepared already the ingredients for the pizza I'm going to make. I'm going to make cheesy pizza and the veggie pizza. Here I have shredded mozzarella. And for the veggie pizza, I prepared olive and pieces, shredded bell pepper and green bell pepper, shredded double cream cheese. I have here ring onion, round tomatoes, and mushroom and pieces, and pizza sauce. Now our pizza dough is expanded to it double size. Now let's make our pizza dough. Cut it into half. Now let's start making our pizza dough. And not too thin. Let's make the second one. Now ready to put our toppings. I'm going to start on our cheesy pizza. First, we put sauce, pizza sauce. Put some double cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, Now let's make the second one, our veggie. Let's put the toppings. Put pizza sauce. Now put our veggies. Tomatoes. Onion. Our double cream cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Now let's put our pizza in our pre-reheated oven. Now put the pizza in our pre-reheated oven. Put it in medium heat. Now our cheesy pizza and veggie pizza are done.